JustCyn. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to another Jeep meetup. But before I go to our Jeep meetup, I have to get my car washed. So my brother is coming over my house to wash my car. My brother usually washes my car because I don't know, he just does. So he's gonna wash my car today. And then today we are officially taking off the top, so the front panels and the roof, the entire thing is coming off today, and I'm super excited because I've never had the entire roof, hood, whatever you want to call it, the freedom panels off of my Jeep. And I'm super excited because it's a really hot day in Miami where I live, and I feel like it's a perfect day to do so because I'll be among other Jeepers and we get to just, you know, be in the vibe. So today I'm going to be taking the top off, and I will be taking off the doors. Yes, the doors. I've never had the doors off before and I'm a little nervous, but I think we got this. So let's get into this video. But before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. I'm only here to record. I'm not here to actually do work. Shut up. What?
You never even fucking work anyway.
The lies need to stop. I be helping out sometimes. I sprayed the car down with water.
You sprayed 2 inches of your fucking car with water.
What? I did something. Huh? So women are not worth it? That's not true. We're not worthless. Women are not worthless. Dang. My tires were dirty. Oh, it's not coming out for me. Oh, I knew that. Who is that? Who texted me?
Open the message and find out.
Huh?
Open the message and find out.
Is this one? Can you catch? Yeah, you can't catch. I got that on camera too. I ain't struggling to take off the lid. Don't be littering on my property.
You gonna be here for that long? Sponge.
Hey guys, I just wanted to pop back in and let you guys know this is a toolkit that I'm going to be using to remove the top of the Jeep. Now this toolkit did not come with my Jeep. Unfortunately, the dealership screwed that up, but I did receive this particular kit off of Amazon, and I will go ahead and link that down below so you guys can get a kit if yours did not come with your Jeep. It does come with fully instructions, and you guys, this was about $17 to $20, so it was just a steal on Amazon, and it had really good high rating. So if you guys need a particular kit, if it did not come with your Jeep, I'll link that down below. Now, all of the nuts, the screws, the bolts, everything I'm going to be replacing. I did find a particular toolkit on Amazon that kind of replaces all of them, and on top of that, they are the color of the inside of my Jeep. So I will show you guys what that looks like. So I'm going to replace the hinges on the door. I've heard so many horror stories about people getting their hinges rusted and not being able to lift the doors freely, so I am going to be replacing them so I don't really have to have any more struggle, and I can do without my brother. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. So we are basically going to take off the doors. So now you're going to have to use this particular method. I did basically YouTube this because me and my brother did struggle the first door, but we kind of got the hang of it after watching some videos. These that red latch, and these wires are basically for my power windows, just basically to put the windows up and put the windows down. So we're going to have to release those wires so that we can be able to take off the doors. My brother actually liked this particular kit that came from Amazon to release the doors, and I'm pretty sure I can do this by myself without him the next time. So it was pretty easy to remove the doors. The actual hood was actually a lot harder and a lot more heavier to take off, but me and my brother did that turtle walk and we got it removed. I didn't help at all?
No. What'd you do to take the doors off?
I'm helping to figure it out. I'm helping to figure it out. I'm not just sitting here not doing nothing.
On my own by not watching the video.
Wow. You see, feeling really unappreciated right now.
Love you too.
Don't worry. Got some for that ass.
The doors are actually lighter.
Now, if you have a Jeep, you know exactly what this is. Now, this is in a cargo space where you can have a little place where you can put all the nuts, the bolts, and all of the extra tools that come with the Jeep. Now, these are for the door hinges. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I got off Amazon, and these are just basically where you're going to put on the ends of the doors, the hinges of the door. You're just going to screw them on, and it's going to make it 10 times easier to take off the doors the next time because, as you guys know, the rusting from all of the weather conditions, these particular nuts or these particular bolts, you want to call them, you're going to basically screw them on the ends of the doors, and next time it'll just be a lot more easier just to remove the doors. And here we decided to take off the hood. So we're gonna go and take off the freedom panels first. So as you guys know, as a Jeeper, you take off the driver's side and then you take off the passenger side as far as the freedom panels. Now, this particular big piece right here, it was a little hard to take off. I'm not going to lie, and it was pretty heavy as well. You're just going to unscrew a couple of these screws in the back, as you guys can see where I'm showing you guys, and I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to be replacing those screws, because next time it'll just be easier. I want to make it a lot more easier for me. So I brought this particular gadget off Amazon, and all you do is just screw it, and it comes in different colors as well. So if you have a black Jeep, it comes in black. If you have a red Jeep, it comes in red. It comes in a numerous amount of colors. So I just chose red because my seats are red, as you guys know. So me and my brother had a little bit of trouble taking this particular piece off, and this is for the power windows for the back. As you guys know, there's a windshield wiper in the back of the Jeep in the cargo space, and we kind of had a hard time, but we kind of figured it out. Here you go. We took it off. So this is my brother taking off the piece right here. He had a really hard time, but I had to help him out because it was incredibly heavy. Ooh, ooh, careful, 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 careful. My windows, careful. Ooh, careful. You want to just lower yourself down? Yeah, just like that. Crawl into a turtle. Turtle time! Turtle time! So this is how the Jeep looks, totally emancipated. And you guys can leave these particular screws in if you would like, but I just decided to just store them in the cargo space. Even though the red touch is nice, I just didn't want to lose them. But this is how the Jeep looks without any of the doors, with the entire roof off. I'm not. Oh, I'm not. It's a windbreaker.
Yeah, ain't no wind.
Like, we saved. You know, we saved the car out here.
All right, come back. Come back. Everybody. Y'all boys get this.
Yeah, man, we out here helping. That's what we do.
This is what we do. You should have seen it before. All right, go.
Yeah, we got him out. Yay! We got you out.
Get that off, man. All fucking day. Oh, y'all motherfuckers say
It's that Jeep life. How did my car get dirty so fast again? So you guys, I am back. And that is the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys like these types of videos. If you guys want to keep going with me on my Jeep meetups, they happen every month, the first Saturday of every month, and I truly enjoy them. And we're growing as a Jeep group. Like, more Jeeps are coming and migrating, and we're just, you know, it's just an awesome time. But this is the end of the vlog. Hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.